When we first did our Shopee Live for the Xiaomi official global store, we actually talked about the Mi Compact Bluetooth speaker 2 that we have right here. So this is a 2-watt mini portable speaker that is connected via Bluetooth, of course. And today we have more time to spend on this speaker to tell you what to expect out of this really affordable Bluetooth speaker. So of course, let us do a quick unboxing. There's really nothing much to be seen on the box here. Yes, okay, so opening up the box, you need to get this booklet, which we are not going to touch, a lanyard, and also the speaker itself. So once again, this is a really compact speaker, and you do have a button at the back here that you can press, which we will go into later. So the lanyard is for you to pass through the hoop at the back here, and so you can actually tie this on your hand, on your backpack, whatever. As mentioned, this is a 2-watt speaker, so let us turn it on and have a try right now. So hold the power button at the back.
Power on. Pairing.
Okay, so we'll use our Mi 9 to pair with it.
Connected.
Okay, so right here we can see that this thing doesn't support any sort of aptX, it only supports SBC codec, and well, we're fine with that since this is a 2-watt speaker. So let us try some music with this Mi Compact Bluetooth Speaker 2. Did I get the name right? Yes, Mi Compact Bluetooth Speaker 2. The volume is not bad. It's not bad, it can fill up your entire room. And sound quality is rather decent as well. And yes, there's only one button that you can press at the back here to play or pause your music. Or if you do get a phone call, you can also press that button to receive your call. And there's a microphone here that you can speak into it and have your conversation pass through the entire Bluetooth speaker here. So yeah, not really recommended, but at least you can do that. So if you want to enter pairing mode again, what you have to do is continue holding the power button.
Power off.
And then you power it off. And then you have to hold the power button
Power on.
until it flashes.
Pairing.
And when it says pairing, then you can let go of the button. And now I have my second phone here to pair with this speaker.
Connected.
And once that's connected, and then we can continue playing our music. So the only thing that we can mention about this thing is that the volume is not particularly high. It can't really go that loud. And what we've shown just now is actually at its maximum volume, and it can fill this room with a very decent volume of music, and there's no distortion, at least not with what we are testing with. And well, it's really powerful for a 2-watt speaker, and it is priced at less than 50 ringgit. So depending on where you're finding it, sometimes you can get about 45 or sometimes you can get it about 39 ringgit only. And that is a really good deal for a speaker like this that you can hang anywhere, wherever you go. So that is all for the, what name is it again? Mi Compact Bluetooth Speaker 2. Yes, it's a mouthful of a name. And I hope you like this video, and if you like it, do hit the subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. I hope I don't get copyright strike.